Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to utilize your market dashboard comp sets within your neighborhood data tab. You'll begin by clicking on the Settings button, where you can select the comp sets you'd like to compare. In a previous video, we discussed using nearby listings for comparison, but you also have the option to use market dashboards for comparison. Simply click on Market Dashboards, select the market dashboard you prefer, and from this point, you can choose the comp set you'd like to apply. You have the choice to use the full market comp sets determined by PriceLabs, or you can create custom comp sets in the market dashboard. Let's use this as an example. You can still simulate the markups and markdowns on your final price. Once you've completed this step, simply click Apply, and your entire neighborhood data tab will start using your selected market dashboard comp set for comparison. However, take note that Market Dashboards is a separate paid product. For more details, we'll link another video on market dashboards in the description.